Today's top 12 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Vitalik Buterin outlines Ethereum's multi-year rebuild plan. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin unveiled the Lean Ethereum roadmap, a multi-year rebuild plan targeting quantum resistance by 2029 and expected to take 3 to 4 years. The project aims to simplify, improve privacy, and enhance quantum resistance through technical changes, including a new gas pricing system and potential move beyond the Ethereum Virtual Machine. PineVoice RISC-V smart speaker supports local wake word detection for Home Assistant. PineVoice, a compact RISC-V smart speaker, supports local wake word detection for Home Assistant and other platforms supporting the Wyoming protocol. It features dual microphone array, built-in speaker, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity and open-source firmware. Coreblocks 02026719. JavaScript is disabled in the user's browser, preventing the loading of a required part of the site. LILYGOT Display C5 board features 1.9-inch IPS color LCD, battery support, QWIRK expansion connectors. The LILYGOT Display C5 board features a 1.9-inch IPS color LCD, ESP32C5 chip with dual-band Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, Bluetooth LE5X, and 802.15.4 radio for Zigbee/Thread/Matter. It also includes USB-C port, lithium battery support, GPIO expansion via headers and 2 QWIRK connectors, and various buttons for resetting and booting the device. Arvasm 001A2. The website is experiencing technical issues, requiring users to enable JavaScript and potentially disabling certain features due to a faulty site component. Rui SDK. Rui SDK has released Eclipse plugins for Linux, providing basic support for RISC-V CC development within the Eclipse IDE through its package manager and virtual environment management interface. Expect Ethereum to hit these key targets in 3 years, Vitalik Buterin. Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin outlines a multi-year plan to transform the protocol into Lean Ethereum, featuring recursive Stark-based verification, quantum-safe security measures, and an efficient gas model. The overhaul aims to reduce transaction fees for common use cases like ERC20 tokens and NFTs, with the ultimate goal of achieving scalability and modularity. SpaceX wants to build AI data centers in space. Will it work? SpaceX aims to build AI data centers in orbit, but faces significant technical hurdles, including radiation and heat dissipation challenges. The feasibility of this approach is uncertain, potentially limited to niche applications. New semiconductor firm breaks cover, backed by $43 million in early-stage funding. TYL Semi aims to deliver custom silicon to customers without breaking the bank. TYL Semi, a new semiconductor firm, has emerged from stealth mode with $43 million in early-stage funding. The company aims to simplify the development of custom processors for AI infrastructure by offering reusable chiplets and an end-to-end service for companies without silicon development skills. ESP-KVM, an open-source IP-KVM solution based on ESP32P4 RISC-V MCU. The ESP-KVM project, an open-source IP-KVM solution, was released by Evgenij Spitsin, building upon Jonathan Roney's proof of concept. It supports video capture with MJPEG or H.264 encoding, keyboard and pointer control, touch mode for mobile devices, and features like multiple viewers, firmware updates and thermal protection. ESP32C6 power consumption, Arduino versus Zephyr versus ESP-IDF comparison. The ESP32C6 microcontroller's power consumption was compared when running under 3 popular software frameworks: Arduino, Zephyr RTOS, and ESP-IDF. The analysis revealed varying levels of energy efficiency across the different frameworks, highlighting the importance of optimizing software for sustainable IoT device operation. Intel licenses Atom-class x86 cores to startup, firm reportedly sharing RTL, enabling customer to build its own custom processors based on x86 general-purpose cores. Intel has licensed its Atom-class x86 cores to startup Risaic Labs, granting the company access to register transfer-level RTL code for the processor core. This allows Risaic Labs to build custom processors based on x86 general-purpose cores at Intel Foundry and elsewhere. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.